Fine.
Just think of it.
Go!
Think of it as tea. Come on.
Go on, Brian.
I bet it's not tea.
Right!
Brian.
Sucker Jane!
Jane.
Water!
Go
Go on, next one. Next one.
on, Brian.
Come on.
One more, Brian.
The day we finish the fridge, lads.
Joe's gonna finish it.
We have to finish the fridge.
Joe's gonna finish it by himself.
Go on, Joe. Change,
I think we
Clarify
should
Girl,
message it.
69 t-shirt, Polly of Rose Wing. That doesn't get him on an oil.
Well done, Brian. I'm a robber, my giant, you know. Let me join. Join. Let me join. Let me join. I don't join. Let me.
Wait, Ginger's present. I ain't gonna fuck. I mean,
You're such a fucking B-Tech. Why didn't you do a fucking knot to clean up?
I don't think we should have used
No,
that.
super funny.
I should have licked it up.
No, do
That
you
would have
think-
been more
Sean,
big.
have you got spare
Oh, no,
boxes?
Sean, seriously.
Huh?
Are you got spare boxes?
I've got spare boxes.
Sean,
Yeah.
Sean, figure eight. Slip knot.
I wish you the best view right now.
No, to be fair. Loop.
That was the figure of eight loop right there.
Loop,
Can't-
loop,
he's
not
not
loop.
recording me, you can't, because
I'm not. Clearly not.
Money.
Money.
Bouncy, tell me about
Yeah, I'm roll with a bit, yeah.
2 cans left, 2 cans left.
Yeah, no, I've got one can left. It's just you being a B-Tech. You just need to take foundation again.
Foundation science.
Today
Do not
is
feel
where
this.
we finish the fridge. Naked. One can left. One measly can of the fridge. Bradley James, Sean Wilcock, Sense Wayne, Joel Davey.
No,
Tom
I'll
Boner.
cover, like the whole can. There you go.
Zoom out, Connor.
I'm sure you got nothing. You got nothing, obvious.
Yeah, I'll give it to
Come on, boys. Let's do this shit.
Yeah, that's not.
We're gonna finish the fridge.
3, 2, 1.
Finish the fridge! Woohoo! Lads on tour! Lads on tour!
3, 2, 1, finish the fridge.
3, 2, 1, finish the fridge! Whey! Lads on tour! Hey.
I fucking love you guys, you know that.